Whether you realize it or not, your personal information is scattered all over the internet, and it isn't just in bits and pieces anymore. Organizations called data brokers hunt for your data, scrape it from numerous sources, and package it together into a profile offered for sale on their websites. These buyers could be big businesses, marketing agencies, spammers, or even other data brokers filling their gaps in your profile. But don't be discouraged just yet. We are here to help. DeleteMyInfo Now is the fastest solution for getting your personal information deleted from these notorious data broker sites so that you can live a more secure and private life on the internet. We make it simple. Once you submit your request on our website, we get down to finding your exposed information and removing it completely. We'll then send you a report showing you all the sites your data was found and deleted from, and then continuously monitor to make sure it stays deleted, since data brokers never stop mining and publishing your information. Fast, effective, guaranteed. DeleteMyInfo now. Take back your privacy.